Sleep is vital for our health and well-being. It is during sleep that our bodies undergo essential processes that keep us functioning optimally. When we sleep, our bodies and minds can rest and repair themselves. This period of rest allows for muscle growth, tissue repair, and the synthesis of important hormones. Getting enough sleep helps us feel energized, focused, and better able to cope with stress. It enhances our cognitive functions, making us more alert and productive throughout the day. Without enough sleep, we can experience negative impacts on our mood, concentration, and overall health. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to serious health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and weakened immune function. When we prioritize sleep, we invest in our long-term health and happiness. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment can significantly improve our sleep quality. By aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, we can improve our physical and mental well-being. This commitment to sleep can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. A good night's sleep is essential for a happy and fulfilling life. It is the foundation upon which we build our daily activities and long-term goals. Calm piano music can be incredibly helpful in achieving restful sleep. The soft, gentle notes create a tranquil environment that soothes the mind and body. The gentle melodies and harmonies of piano music have a calming effect on our minds. These soothing sounds can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it easier to drift off into a peaceful slumber. Listening to this type of music before bed can help slow down our thoughts and relax our bodies. The rhythmic patterns and consistent tempo can guide our breathing, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. The absence of sudden or jarring sounds in piano music prevents sleep disruptions. This continuous flow of gentle music helps maintain a serene atmosphere throughout the night. Instead, the smooth and flowing nature of the music creates a peaceful atmosphere conducive to sleep. The serene environment it fosters can make falling asleep and staying asleep much easier. By incorporating calm piano music into our bedtime routine, we can signal to our brains that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. This simple addition to our nightly ritual can significantly improve the quality of our rest, leading to better overall well-being. A consistent bedtime routine is crucial for establishing healthy sleep patterns. It helps signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down and prepare for rest. By performing the same relaxing activities each night before bed, we can train our bodies to anticipate sleep. This can include simple activities like gentle stretching, meditation, or even light journaling. A warm bath can help relax our muscles and prepare us for sleep. The soothing warmth and calming ambiance created by candles can further enhance this relaxation. Reading a book or listening to calming music can quiet our minds. These activities help shift our focus away from the day's stresses and create a peaceful environment. Avoiding screen time for at least an hour before bed is essential. The blue light emitted from screens can trick our brains into thinking it's still daytime, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with our sleep hormones. Instead, consider using a traditional alarm clock to wake up, which can help maintain a tech-free zone in your bedroom. Section 4. Creating a restful sleep haven. Our sleep environment plays a significant role in the quality of our sleep. A cool, dark, and quiet bedroom is ideal for promoting restful sleep. The darkness signals to our brains that it's nighttime, which triggers the production of sleep hormones. A cool room temperature helps regulate our body temperature for optimal sleep. Using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine can minimize sleep disruptions caused by light and noise. Section 5. Benefits of music for sleep. Listening to calm piano music before bed offers numerous benefits for improving sleep quality. It can help us fall asleep faster by calming our minds and reducing racing thoughts. The relaxing nature of the music promotes deeper and more restful sleep. This can lead to waking up feeling more refreshed and energized. Incorporating calm piano music into our sleep routine can be a simple yet effective way to improve our overall sleep quality. Section 6. Sweet dreams await. Prioritizing sleep is essential for our health and well-being. By incorporating calming piano music into our bedtime routine, creating a restful sleep environment, and establishing a consistent sleep schedule, we can significantly improve our chances of falling asleep quickly and experiencing restful sleep. Remember to make sleep a priority and enjoy the countless benefits of a good night's rest. Sweet dreams await.